Octane Car Wash located at Batangas City. So yan guys, search nyo na lang sa Facebook. Second floor, merong brewery, cafe and bar. Guys, must try yung Gyudon Ice Americano, and then marami pa sila mga Japanese cuisine. So here it is. You know. So daily driven, 100,000 kilometers odometer. So yeah, we're gonna get premium car wash. Sayang, sira yung lifter. So hindi natin mapapa-underwash. Octane. Super premium. Super premium tayo. 500 pesos. Sayang, di na ganun yung lifter. Underwash na tayo. Around 1,000 yun eh. Pagka nilifter natin. Pero check it out guys. Dito yan, located sa Batangas City. It's easy to find. Yun yung papuntang SM. ICU. Tapos yan. Yun no. Yun naman guys, yung mga tools nila. The flooring. Saka yung mga tools nila oh. For car wash. Premium bay. Alright. So yun guys. Hintayin natin. Medyo maraming gamit. Ayan. Siyempre yung mga shoes natin. Zoom X, Alpha Fly. At yung gamit natin kanina. Kuya, punasan mo na lang itong baba. Huwag mo nang alisin yung matting. Oo. Kasi pag inalis, mahirap pa eh. Pero yun, alisin mo na lang. Pato mo na lang dito. Sensya na, medyo magulo yung ano. Sige. Alright guys, we'll be back. Pakita ko mamaya. 2 times car shampoo ginagawa nila dito. Car wash, 2 times car shampoo using chemical, guys. Mr. Pink, Tar Black, vacuum air freshener, interior protectant, ceramic quick detailer. So yan. Later on, makita natin. Sheesh. You know, cream pie. You know. All right, we're done, guys. Octane car wash. Suabe.